is she doing?
She is eating.
What is he doing?
He is sleeping.
What are they doing?
They are sleeping.
What are they doing?
They are yawning.
What are you doing?
We are practicing.
What are you doing?
We are happy.
What is he doing?
He is jumping.
What is she doing?
She is sitting.
What is he doing?
He is running.
What are you doing?
We are sleeping.
What is she doing?